Damn, son. Max, you checking it out? Look at that wide body, tucking that stock wheel. What up guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we're hanging out in the garage. We got Max helping out and we got Matthews putting in reps on the HELLKEAZY. So if you don't know, this is a 2016 Hellcat Challenger that I bought off COPART about 2 weeks ago. And we already have parts in. This used to be Tall Guy Car Reviews. Obviously most of you already know that, but if you don't, he's a YouTuber and I bought it from COPART. So today we finally got some parts. We're still waiting on parts, but we're doing what we can with what we have. So today what we're doing is I have the wide body finally here. Pretty exciting stuff because that is the hardest stuff to get. So everything else is already on the way. But these are the wide body fenders that replace this whole fender with the over flares. So it's totally OEM. This actually came off a Demon and it's actually black. So the plan is not even to have to paint them or do any body work. We're just gonna slap them on. And then these rear flares are also black, but to put the rear flares on this car, there's not really any way to do it, like no right way to do it, because the other Challengers that come with them have a different rear quarter panel and it's not the same as a normal body Challenger, but it has been done, but it has not been done on YouTube. So I'm gonna be the first one to document it all on YouTube, so anyone that wants to do it can do it. So that's pretty cool that I'm able to do that. And I know I've talked to some people that's already done it, so I have a pretty good idea on how to do it. So I'm gonna be talking about that today. We're gonna be mocking them up and I'm gonna be explaining exactly how I'm gonna do it. And then in a future video, I'm gonna be putting the rears on. But today we're just gonna open these up. I actually got a front bumper too, front lip. This is all off the newer Challenger, so it has the different front lip as like the older one that this one comes with. It's the solid that comes with the wide body. But yeah, me and Matthew's about to open these up and get this front one mocked up. So let's slap that thing on, get this opened up. So if you didn't know, these fenders are really hard to get. You can't order them from the dealer because they don't want people doing what I'm doing. They don't want people converting their old Challengers to the new wide body style, because then everyone would be doing it. But I was able to locate these and order them right away. So we are going to have an OEM wide body Challenger. First one to do it on YouTube. But like I said, I have talked to some people that have done it, so I know how to do it. So let's open these up. Hopefully they're in good shape. They did come from California, which is a long trip. So I'm hoping they're not damaged. Check that thing out. So
looks like they packaged it pretty good.
Yeah, he did a pretty good job packaging it. Like I said, it's already painted black, so that's like stupid lit because I don't have to paint it. So that's the whole idea. But yeah, let's pull this.
Let's go put this across that real quick. I'm trying
to
see how wide it's gonna look.
I think we gotta move some stuff.
Y'all can tell we excited to get
Yeah, honestly, this is like Christmas for me. Like the fact that I even found these is crazy because these things are like very, very limited. There's the other one. They're not easy to get. They're very hard to get. I looked all week and it's crazy that this is the first thing that came in. Everything else is still on the way, but
you think we can like put it on to where it like won't fall off?
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't want to watch the paint.
Yeah,
Here, you do it. Let me do it. I know how to do it. Let me see.
Gotta get that wide body on, boy.
This is like the most satisfying. Damn, son, dude, that's sick.
This thing's clean.
I know it is in pretty good shape.
Paint's looking mint.
Especially because we're gonna wrap it.
Look at that emblem, boy. Max likes the emblem. Check it out.
That's not even the Hellcat. No, what is that? That's like a...
I don't know what that is.
That's not the Hellcat emblem. I think that's his own emblem he put on there.
Bro, that thing looks like an ape.
This thing looks insane. So that side, I forgot the keys to the car at my house, and I cannot pull that fender off without pulling the door. So we're not gonna even open that one because there's no point, because the fender or whatever, we can only do one side. But, so what I still need is, there's a piece that goes right here for the front bumper. And then also, I need this bottom lip, or it's not a lip, this bottom rocker cover. There's the rocker cover that I need to order has a plastic piece molded in that has the rest of the fender. So we can't really finish this yet, but I'm still working on getting those parts. Like I said, all the parts are really limited, so they're very, very hard to get. But the hardest part to get is these OEM fenders, because this is not the same as the fenders that were on it. This one has tabs that are in it. Here, I'll show you. So this fender, as you can see, like look at the inside, it's not the same as the normal fender. It has all these little tabs and they all clip in. So these are really hard to get because, like I said, the dealer won't send them to you. Boom. Perfect. All right, guys, so now you have a look of what the WideBody is gonna look like. I'll also, I'm not running these wheels. I actually have a set that I'm ordering hopefully today or tomorrow, and they are like 2 inches wider because these are the stock wheels, so obviously it's not gonna look good because it's for the stock width, and these are about 2 inches wider, maybe 3 inches. So those will be in probably maybe a week or two from now, so that's exciting. But like I said, I can only do so much because I still got to find all these parts. But what we're going to do now is let's open these rears, and I'm going to explain to you and show you pictures on my phone how we are going to, well, how we plan on installing them. We're probably going to have to drill. There is some people that have to use double-sided tape, but like I said, I'm still figuring it out. But I'm going to show you my pictures of everything I have on my phone that I've been talking to people all week about. And we're gonna figure that out, get these things on, make this thing look OEM. So let's open these rears now and mock them up. So here's what the plan is. So these are, here's one wide body car. This guy sent this to me. As you can see, his fender lip, he rolled the whole fender lip and then sat this on top. And then he said he did double-sided tape on the back of this, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I really want to do it OEM. I want to drill holes so these all snap in. So as you can see, this is the factory. What would you call that? The factory quarter panel that comes with the wide body cars. So what people are doing is they're rolling the lips of the edges with like a fender roller, and then they're sitting the wide body kit on top, and then they are drilling holes for these tabs. There's, I think, 19 of them. So I figured I could make a template and then trace it out on here and then drill the holes, and then this will just clip right in. Hopefully that's the plan, but I'm gonna be honest, I've never done nothing like this, but I mean, there's nothing I can't do, so we'll figure it out. I mean, it can't be rocket science, but I mean, as you can see, it definitely adds a lot of width to the car. All right, so I actually unwrapped the, this is actually the right one for it. That was for the left side, or the passenger side, and I just unwrapped the other one, and I'm going to undo these clips, just pop them out, and I'm gonna tape this thing up, and we're gonna get an idea of what this thing's gonna look like. So let's mock this thing up real quick so you guys can get an idea how this is all gonna work. And obviously I'm still getting an idea of how it's gonna work too, because like I said, I really don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm kind of going with the flow. I talked to some people and I know this isn't impossible because it's been done before. But I don't know, no one really shares how they did it, so that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna show you guys every step of the way how I did this. So let's pull these clips off. Damn, son. Max, you checking it out? Look at that wide body. Tucking that stock wheel. Got the rear mounted up too. Just with some tape. She's ready to roll. Yeah, let's go for a test drive. But in reality, look at that thing. Look how wide that looks. Damn. Looks sick. Yeah, we're gonna need some wheels. Alright guys, so we got them all mocked up. Everything's loose. I'm gonna pull this stuff off because I don't want it to get damaged. I still gotta work on the front end. So we got the front end all mocked up. It's just hanging on there. And then the rear, we got it taped up just to get a kind of idea of the width and also just to make sure it's gonna fit. So the plans are for the rear. As you can see, here's the other side. We're gonna look at the other side of this fender. They have these little slide clips, and they also have these alignment tabs. Look at right there. You see that little pin right there? So that's gonna make it really easy to line it up. So I can drill one hole there for that alignment clip, a hole there for that alignment clip, and then that will center the whole fender, so then I can figure out how to do these. So what I'm thinking is, let me put this down. What I'm thinking is either I could use the OEM clips that just clip in, or I could run actual nuts and then run a bolt from the inside and run just a couple all the way around it, and that'll be super clean. But what we're gonna definitely have to do is roll this fender and then sit this on top of it like I showed you in the pictures. So saying that, it's definitely gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but nothing that you know, me and Matthews can't figure out. We always figure out everything. So I mean, it shouldn't be too hard, but it's definitely gonna take a couple days to do it the right way. What you thinking, Matthews?
I'm checking out these Brimbos though.
Yeah, look at how wide it sits over stock. That's why I love the look of this wide body. I don't know, obviously it just sits wider and just sits meaner. I don't like looking like a normal Challenger going around. So
we're about to throw in like 4-inch wheel spacers, you know, to
gap it out, put some mud tires on it. Alright guys, well that's going to be a wrap for this video. I do apologize that I didn't get really to work on anything in this video. I mean, there's only so much I can do without having all the parts. So we're waiting on all the parts, and once the parts are in, I mean, it's going to be grind time on this thing. Like every day we're going to be working on it and getting this thing back together. So like I said, I do apologize that there wasn't much working in this video, but we did get these mocked up, which is very exciting because these were a big worry of mine, finding these, because like I said, they're very, very hard to get. So that's probably the hardest part of the whole process, was just finding these. So if you do have these little bumper pieces that go here, and if you have the bumper piece that goes on the rear, and also maybe that pinch weld seam cover, whatever you call that. Oh my gosh, Matthew's run over me.
Shot up in his face.
Matthew's flinched.
I thought we were about to get it shot up or something. I don't know what's going on up here.
But if you do have those pieces, please contact me. But do not contact me if you're going to waste my time, because I'm sorry to say this, but a lot of people have been contacting me about parts, and I don't even think they have the parts. I don't know what's going on, but they've been wasting my time for days and days, and they postpone me ordering other parts. So I do not like that, and I do not appreciate that, because like I said, this is all a time crunch, because I'm trying to do this all within a month. I mean, if it goes a little bit longer, it's no big deal, but like I said, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to bore you guys. I want to be right to business and get this stuff, you know, get this stuff cranking, get this stuff on, and get this thing on the road. Yeah, because we got some performance things that are coming soon, and yeah, we're trying to get this thing
out here.
trying to get this thing fast, get this bad boy back on the road. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching, and I mean, if you like the video, like I said, this is my first. I'm the only one on YouTube that's doing the OEM wide body, that's doing it step by step. So, I mean, drop a like for that if you're excited about that, and make sure to subscribe, because like I said, this is gonna be a fun build, and stay tuned. I do appreciate all the people that have subscribed already, and yeah, I mean, thank you so much, and I guess I'll catch you guys next week. Probably the next video will be a lot sooner than this one took. I'm probably gonna start putting videos out twice a week. But like I said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.